Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. Today I'm going to share with you kit 44. So what is in kit 44? If you're having a little look around me, you're thinking, oh no, but don't, because you know we like to be prepared. So kit 44 is Santa's sentiments. I'm making sure that I got the right teeth in now to say all these things. So we have an absolutely gorgeous new trend of colours to show you. So I think I'm going to start with those. We've gone very poppy with these colours, very vibrant, very Christmassy, I think. And I think it suits the young style, but I think it also suits the classic style because I just love these colours. So because they're all new, they haven't logged in my brain yet, so I do apologise. So Dan is going to read out the names for me and I will share them with you.
That is Shining Spruce.
So this is our beautiful Speciality paper. So it's a cotton paper and it's deeply embossed. So it may look like a glitter on there, but it's a lovely, lovely sheen and you can see the emboss from the background there. It will also take colour as well. So that's our first one. So then we have a Speciality card. Ice rink this is, and it really does. I'm hoping you're going to pick it up on the screen. It almost looks like skates have gone over it and made tracks. So I think that's a really apt name for this, but it could also be like a linen effect. And this colours really, really well. So then we have our iridescent card, and this is seafoam green. And I know, oh my gosh, I'm making some funny, I don't know how to show you this without, if you look to, I don't even know where to say because I'm just seeing really weird colours on the screen. It's quite a gentle green. It doesn't look it there because it is picking up some vibrant colours. But kind of if you look down this area here, you will see the colour of the green. I think we're picking up the lights this end. But I know you love your iridescent cardstock. So we got another Speciality card now. Santa's hat. Love that. And this is making gorgeous boxes, which I'll share with you later. It's a very subtle emboss on it. And it's quite a random pattern, but I think it's beautiful. Like that one. And it's quite, there is a little bit of a texture, but it's not a lot. But I like the bits that are iridescent, contrasting with the smoother parts. So then we've got our classic card, and this is pine tree green. And again, I love the vibrancy of this colour. Beautiful. Then we're on to our glitter card. And this is Ruby Ritz. This to me is classic Christmas. Your candy stripes. Love this one. Have we got a name for this one, Dan? Oh, it is called, well, that was a good guess, wasn't it? So this is our candy stripe. I mean, this to me is your little candy canes brought in a cardstock. And it's actually got a nice sheen on the red stripe. And then we're back to our pearlescent then. And this is our gorgeous white. And it's a pure white. It's no creamy white, we're a pure white here. And it's a double-sided pearl. So that's our papers. So I'm hoping that we've set the trend here with those colours. We've got a paper pad, because I know you love your paper pads as well. And again, we've gone with the poppy colours here that match. So we've got lovely stripes, so dot and dash stripes. Very subtle there. Lovely polka dots. I love a polka dot. So then we've got stitch trees there. We've got a little bit of stitching going through the centre of the triangles. Moving on to a lovely candy stripe there. Going through again to a red and green spot of snowflakes. Very delicate patterns in this one. And then we've got little stars and another stripe. So to me, they are your classic Christmas. And you will get 6 sheets of 8 designs. So lots of contrast, lots of things to play with. And this is Santa's workshop. So what else do we have? Let's go through the Nouveau, I think. Well, let's share these with you first. So we're giving you some A2 craft brown cards and envelopes. So all ready to go, making your cards. And then onto the Nouveau. And then, look, I'm showing you all these. I'm going to hide them for a minute. You will receive a random 2 glitter or sequins. And these are from Santa's workshop. So this one has a lovely red glitter and some snowflakes. But there's also another 2 as well that you may receive. Then we've got Red Alert, which is a vintage drop. A vintage drop gives you a matte effect. So the crystal drops give you a nice shiny effect. This will give you a matte effect. And I'll show you that on the cards as we go in. We have got some lovely embossing powder. I'm hoping you can see this. And this is called Sugared Strawberries. Let me bring that up a little bit. Don't know whether you can see it, but I'll find some cards that are using it and I'll show you on the cards now. Then we have a new colour in our inks, which is Shamrock Green. And we have a new product in our range. We have got some grosgrain ribbon in lovely polka dot spot. And this is a lovely thickness ribbon, but it's not that stiff grosgrain that doesn't tie a nice bow. This is soft enough to tie a lovely, lovely bow. So I think on that we're probably looking maybe 16 mil, I would guess. So that's a newbie to our set. So on to the dies and the stamps, obviously. So this is how your dies and stamps will come to you. I will show you everything they make now because they make more sense. And you've got a stamp set. So let's have a little look. So each of these dies is a verso die. What do I mean by a verso die? A verso die means it cuts an outer edge, but it also cuts an inner edge. So if you wanted to, I'm trying to look for a little card around me. Right, if I look at this piece is cut directly into the cardstock. So that is what we call a verso effect. So you use the outer edge to cut the die out, but you can also leave it in the base of the card. And that's what all these will do for you. So you have your Yuletide, but you can also cut that as a backing plate as well. Holidays, Christmas, hope, peace and love. And they're all verso. So what do we have to pop those onto? Excuse me. So we've got some little tags that you can layer up, make some funky effects with. We've got some smaller tags to put words onto. And then we've got some lovely pattern dies that will add borders, edging shapes, things like that to your cards. And we've also got some zigzag effects. Really, really pretty ones. And moving on, it's our stamps. I love these. So we have these fit in with your dies as well. So we have yourself. So we could have a Merry Christmas. We've got cheer, wishes, happy. And then we've got the smaller ones, which is love, joyful, peace, hope, merry little, and wishing you a. So they will all mix and match together. And this could be your dies for all your Christmas cards. Your little stamp characters will fit with these. Your layering dies will fit with these. So you could be ready for Christmas by September, dare I say. let's have a little look. Excuse me, I got a little bit of a frog. Sorry. Let's have a little look what the girls have made us. So, whoops, nearly caught my string then. So we've used a couple of the stamps here. I think this is Vicky. She's used a couple of the stamps as decoration. The shape tags and layered them up. And this is the matte effect of the vintage drops I was telling you about. And obviously a lovely little bow. So I think you can be as contemporary or as traditional as you like with these. Some of them are a little bit funky. So we've got Yuletide wishes here, using the beautiful papers in the background. The sequins that are in one of the other kits. Sorry, not the other kit. They're one of the alternatives to the glitters. And also a lovely little knot. And I think that's Vicky as well, yes. So here we have yourself a peace-filled Christmas. And we've used the little tag here just to create your background. And I would say that's Christine. Yes, it is. Love that effect. Christine loves to create a background as well with what she's got. So I'm going to pop them down. Your tags for your presents. Don't throw your scraps out at all. Use them for smaller little gift tags. Because your presents would look gorgeous decorated like this. And we've got bigger drops here, so you can vary the size. Then we have another one. These are Christine as well. So this is Happy Christmas Wishes. So she's used the larger tag and she's also used the small tag here as well to create a little banner. And done a little bit of paper piecing. Beautiful. Next one, some strips on the background from all your cardstock. And also some of the wording and the dies. So peace, love and hope. Nice sentiments here to send for Christmas. And Merry Yuletide greetings for you. And a little bit of splattering. And I think she's put the vintage drops on the background and almost painted with them. So that's a nice effect. Oh, saying that, no, I think she's added on top, I'm looking at the glitter, and I think she's added on top the embossing powder to give a bit of a different effect. So use it with your shaped cards. Add a couple of layers of tags just to make it a little bit more funky. That one is that Shilpa. Beautiful Shilpa. And she's added a couple of snowflakes in the background just to add a little bit of sheen. Hope, yes, you can see them there. Again, we've gone with one of the tag shapes and the smaller tag on top, the lovely candy canes, and a few of the little sequins to decorate. Love that one as well. And that one is Ruth. Whoops. I'm getting tangled with my strings here. So this is another lovely tag. If you had a big gift, this would be beautiful. Tied to your gift. So this is Happy Holidays from us all. And I think that's Christine, yes. Then we've gone a little bit more, I think this one is a little bit more traditional. So we've got your square cards with your layers brought in and your Merry Christmas. And obviously a little bit of holly cut out for the top there. Gorgeous. I think that's Dawney. And again, we've inked here. Who's done this one? This is Dawney as well. She's used the lovely inks. You can see the colour on the ink here. She's inked through the die cut to make a stencil for herself. And then she's added a little bit of embossing powder onto that, or glitter I think that one is, and glued it. So that's lovely. Here's the dies I was saying that will add borders to your cards and edges, little patterns. Make them a little bit more funky and a little bit different as well. So these have got lovely stitched edgings here. And that's from Vicky. Happy Holidays. We've got a couple more cards. So we've gone a bit traditional here with love, hope and peace, but still really pretty. Happy holidays. So we've got a bit of stamping in the background and added all the patterns as well to this one. We have yourself a merry little Christmas. So you can see how nicely this ribbon bows as well. We've got a bit of paper piece in here with the Yuletide. And a little bit of double-sided tape with the glitter on top. It makes it look like a little gift. And this is, we're getting to the end of our cards, but I've got a few little gift ideas to show you. So we've got the paper in the background using the tags. And again, a little bit of glitter cards behind. Really, really pretty. That's Ruth again. Last card. And this is paper folded for a Christmas tree. Love this effect. So you've got a really 3D Christmas tree, but it will fold flat to post. And we've got hope, peace and love. And the small tag shape then has made your background. So that one is Dawny as well. So lovely, lovely ideas. Then we've got a few little boxes. So this is from Jen. And she's used the tags on the outside for decoration. And inside then, this could be a little gift to give someone for them to decorate their presents. So we've got Joyful Christmas, Holidays, Yuletide Hope, Merry Little Christmas, and she's decorated back and front. So oh, hang on, we've got another one here. Joyful Hope. And we've got the pattern on the back there and there. So they are beautiful. They would make lovely little tags for your prezzies and a nice little gift too. So there's our lid for that one. Then we've got another one here. This is off Vicky. Let me check. Yes, it is Vicky. So she's done a lovely little card inside. Merry Christmas. And last but not least, how would you like to give your presents looking like this? That is stunning. So if you fill them, imagine filling these now with your homemade chocolates, your biscuits, your little truffles, things like that. And then you've tied them all up with the ribbon and added your little tag. Absolutely stunning. Would this be how you want to send your Christmas this year? Because I know I would. So hopefully you'll pop along to the Tonic website. This will only be exclusively available from Tonic. You won't get it in the shops and you won't get it on TV either. It will just be here. So hopefully I've put you in the festive spirit and you'll come and join us again. Happy crafting. Bye.